How long does it take a body to decompose after death? Let's know this. The moment a person dies, their body begins to break down as cell decay and bacteria invade. But how long it takes for a body to fully decompose? On average, a body buried within a wooden coffin usually starts to break down within a year, but it takes up to a decade to fully decompose, said Daniel Westcott, director of the Forensics Anthropology Center at Texas State University. Decomposition itself is fairly straightforward. Once death occurs and oxygenated blood stops flowing, cells die. Putrefaction, or the decomposition of organic matter without oxygen by bacteria, fungi, or other organisms, can turn parts of a body's skin to green about 18 hours after death. That's according to the book Evaluation of Postmortem Changes. During this bloating stage, the skin can slip and blister and marbling can occur. Greenish-black blood vessels can be seen through the skin within about 24 to 48 hours of death. Eventually, the bloat collapses, and in a process known as black putrefaction, the body's tissues soften. Insects and microbes eat the remaining soft tissues, leaving only the skeletal remains. Decomposition significantly slows down at this skeletal stage, and it takes years or decades for the skeletal remains to disintegrate, according to the book. Location can have an impact too. If a casket is buried in acidic soil, it will erode faster, exposing the body to the elements, including insects, which support the decomposition process. There are a few other factors most people don't think about, Westcott said. In an outdoor setting, obese people initially decompose more rapidly in the beginning, but slow down later in the process because maggots prefer muscle tissues over fat. Chemotherapy and antibiotics used prior to death also can have a huge impact on decay because both kill off some of the bacteria involved in the process. The coffin's liner might also have an influence on the pace of decomposition too, Westcott said. Some materials wick fluid away from the body and could cause it to dry out more quickly.